Hey tubers!
Twitching Hill Earthship update 19.
And we're still not finished, but here we go, we're going to show you around.
Yes, so I think one of the first things is that we closed in the wood up at the end of...
In the trusses either end, so we've got marine clear plastic.
both sides.
Both sides, so the wood's now sandwiched in, so most of you happy with that, how that's turned out.
And it looks great at night because the light comes through and it looks like stars outside, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah. First bedroom.
So yeah, the main thing is we've done the brickwork. So
that's it. Yeah.
That's the main, probably the main achievement in
we
the last
we finished all the brickwork.
3 or 4 months is that we've finished the brickwork. So.
And the window frames.
Yeah. So window frames, door frames are in. Glass is here, not in yet, but that will be the next video we do once we've rendered and done all that.
Yeah.
But anyway,
so the next stage is going to be rendering. So.
Yeah. First bedroom with this will be an ensuite with a lancet arch. We've got a thing about lancet arches. So yeah. Yeah. Put a couple in here and also.
Not much to see in here. It's a bit dark in here. It's actually we're at sunset now, so there's not a huge amount of light, but we've got to get this video done because tomorrow we're going to be starting rendering.
So yeah, so window frames in, door frames in, study, well maybe piano room, who knows. Second bedroom.
So these windows here are going to be double glazed.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you the glazing in a minute.
Whirly beds.
Oh yeah. So we got. We were going to have 3 boxes. If you know Earthship's. Yeah, the boxes apparently work really well, but we don't think it's going to work too well for us. So we've gone for 6 whirly birds, and if you can see. We can actually open and close these by screwing them open and screwing them closed, and we used the bottom ends of 7 kilo gas bottle barbecue gas bottles to do that.
And they look great. They're like the centre of flowers.
Yeah.
You can just spin them closed or keep them open.
Yeah. Main bathrooms.
Main bathroom. So yeah, the main thing about the main bathroom is that we've got 2 bottomed windows. I thought I had enough blue bottles and I was getting a little bit... 512 wine bottles we used, and thanks to JURIEN Bay.
Yeah, all the good drinkers, all the good people.
All the good drinkers donated their bottles to us. And it came to... I was a little bit upset because I wanted both windows to be all blue bottles, but thanks to my dad, he talked me into putting another colour with them, and actually it's worked out really good.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with
so,
that.
yeah, main bathroom, and then...
So the main bathroom, the ceiling's going to be high. Oh, that's what we didn't show them in the other rooms. We've got ceilings in. So in the main bathroom we're not going to have a ceiling. So that's going to be high in here.
So you can see, yeah.
There's the bottle wall.
Bottle walls. So yeah, and we learned something. So a dimpled bottom bottle of wine is known as a punt.
Yeah.
So that's the ones that have dimples in them are called punts.
Yeah. So we're on the hunt for punts, weren't we?
Yeah, we were.
On the hunt for punts.
But yeah.
So that's next stage is going to be rendered, that. And then the kitchen and lounge area. What can we say about that? What can we say about that? We got the ceiling in.
Yeah, this is the ceiling.
Mini orb. We've just mini orbed the whole place.
So
because it's easy.
The main bathroom, the corridor, and the conservatory area are all high ceilinged. The kitchen, lounge, and the 2 bedrooms and study are lower ceilinged.
And the scullery.
And the scullery.
This is all of our glass. This is for the windows. It's all turned up. So.
And it was hardly any price difference between laminate and toughened glass. So we went with laminate because at least if laminate cracks, as we have found out, it doesn't shatter or go anywhere. It just cracks and stays in shape.
So we got to build another frame to go around the windows, and then they will sit into those frames. So that's another stage that you'll see. What else we got?
Another lancet, which is my little favourite spot actually of the whole build right now, because I've changed my favourite spot. But it's the lancet scullery, the lancet archway to our scullery.
Yeah, it's pretty dark.
So, or utility room in England.
Yeah.
But I quite like the old-fashioned word
No
scullery.
lights. No lights in there at the moment.
Yeah, no, it's very dark.
Yeah.
And that's And what else have we done?
Well, we got all these walls in. We got the plumbing in. All of our electrics have been run, like primarily run before all gets hooked up.
So this bit here. So there's the bridge.
We're calling this the bridge.
The bridge. We have, Tristan has made a sliding door, but it's different to these sliding doors. But it's going to be really, really cool.
So it's going to slide.
Slide across. So that will bring you out to
and
this
we've got
area.
these guys all in place, ready for the
runners.
Yeah, for the runners to hang on. The light's a bit bad. Do apologise. What can you do?
We have to, do the videos when we get the opportunity to. So, handles.
Oh yeah, handles are done.
Handles are done on the sliding doors, and
I don't know if you can see the plastics out here. So this is just the same plastic they use on boat screens. It's out in the sun. It should last a million years, hopefully.
Hopefully. And as you can see outside, we've got Hudson and Motley's just over by the shed.
Yeah.
Just watching what's going on. So so the next stage is render the whole building again for the final render.
Yeah. So we're rendering the outside and the inside.
Yeah, and in between all the bottles, in both ends of the walls and the bathroom walls.
Yeah, and it should all be that colour.
Yes.
That's
the
plan.
idea. It will be a sandstone colour, and then we will put the glass in, the double glazing, into there, and then we'll polish the floor, the concrete floor, and hopefully we'll stain it, acid wash it and clean it up so that it's the right colour. Because at the moment it just looks grey.
Yeah, should get some colour out of it.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
And then we'll be doing another video.
Yeah.
So.
Thanks for everybody, all you guys subscribing. Thanks
and
for
comments.
And the comments. We do read all the comments. Like I say, sorry we don't reply to them all, but we do take a lot of them on board. And enjoy reading them. We're just busy and useless at this. Yeah. So we'll always go one take, and that's it. That's the one take. So good on you.
And I hope everyone's staying safe with COVID.
Yeah. Yeah. That's enough mentioning that.
All right. Stay safe.
Take care. Bye.